Love it when our guys are having a good time on a hard day's work. I tell you, pumping this concrete in these holes is not the easiest thing in the world to do.
Feet.
10 feet deep holes, folks. You can only get this with King Piers. The biggest, strongest pier on the planet, in my opinion, and all my customers' opinion. The only pier system that guarantees to raise your footing back to its correct level, elevation guaranteed every time, no matter how big or small your home is. We've also done this with commercial buildings, warehouses. Get on our Facebook page and check it out. We try to use Geiger on just about all of our concrete. Good people. Great company. King Piers out here at Raintree Lake on a beautiful, beautiful Thursday. This pier is encased. We only got 6 more to go. We got to be careful with this one because we got a gas line going in through there. It's either gas or water. I can't tell what it is. Perfect. Good aim. Good job, Macho.